Nigo rich kuriarere kiame kyo gyatware gikaro kyaye kya National Executive Council NEC gekoragwa n'umunyakergo Gladys Wango mugabara Paul Simbarati amo n'umugabara we county ya Mombasa Abdul Somad abo asikia mochorero mo senator we county ya Siaya Oburu Odinga kobo murayintenenera we kiama ekyo nonyana bo ensemo yabo menye we county ya Kisii anenekigima balia banchite ekiama Gia Odm nigo barule birengero byabo ase bateberuna ekiama ekyo nigo kiganirie Oborai Kongo buna Raila Odinga uyo orakeire bosyo na kora Oborai bande
magega yogo sira ko muga Raila Odinga uyo kabiro mu prime minister na ndo Oborai Bw'Ekiama Gia Odm abo igoro egente kikirire tobo kendo bonene mense ya Kenya bono ekiama Gia Odm niko kyabaterirwa kurangirira umusangirekano manene bo bwatani Bw'Ekiama ekyo abo asaba koro bachori bwe mwongoko Oborai ntenena Bw'Ekiama ekyo abo asaba machoro Oburu Oginga uyoro mu muromo abonya go sira Raila Odinga na ndo mo senator we county ya Siaya
has been the neck of the ODM party, National Executive Council of the ODM party that we have held here at Agile this morning. Our resolutions will be brought to us by our deputy party leaders.
Death of the party leader, His Excellency Honorable Raila Molo Odinga. Yesterday morning, while undergoing treatment at an hospital in India. The death of Baba, as he was fondly referred to by many, is not only a blow to the party but also to the entire Republic of Kenya, which he vehemently fought for, and the continent of Africa.
The country, members, supporters and the general public are free to visit any of the party offices at the county level to sign the condolence book, and in some instances the governor's offices. The body of our hero will lie in stated Parliament buildings today for public viewing from 12 to 5 o'clock.
Obwata kana nogo choro kwa Oburu Oginga kobo Oborai Bw'Ekiama Gia Odm ndenenera wana niga Oborai Bw'Ekiama ekyo bakura gono mugabana bwe county ya Kisii maske Paul Simbarati amanore bwe county ya Mombasa Abdul Somad obaraba konyi bo Oborai Bw'Ekiama ekyo abana Gladys Wanga uyoro monyakero go Bw'Ekiama Gia Odm na ndo mugabana bwe county ya Homa Bay bakwana nabaralia rikoba manyaba Kenya ekiama ekyo gekera asomo sangerekano yo
Amolo Odinga's time. We believe in unity of purpose, a stronger democratic party and a party that must live on for many years to come. With this regard, the NEC has designated the Senator of Siaya County, Honorable Dr. Oburu Odinga, to be the acting party leader until the time that the top party organs will meet and elect a substantive party leader to fit in the big shoes that have been left by our leader.
Nonyena boni gensemo ya manyibe county ya Kisii baro ibirengera byabo igoro ye kiamekyo abwasa bate babuna ni go baraga ni kiamekyo gechiko chora Oborai Omokongu uyuraga ndere mirimo ya Raila Odinga atigire nchera
na ande bono tatanyo rumuntu budi ya Omokongu kabisa uratokonya gaki twatiga irense bobe bono tumatinga itokucha na ninga itogokodera
Ekiama Gia Odm koenda mutwe aba na nchi bense ya Kenya abange bakurire na onyobo teneneri bwaye mbwagenda somongina Ida Odinga Ekiama Gia Odm ngetwara umarufu gochimotu onye Ekiama Gia Odm nkeira na se drawing board kebange na ekero musikera ilata iyo ngora moridi na ande na kirate na gochimotu
nore omuntu oyo Omokongu oragambe at least yakire no chidogia mwakuri abwate Odm ntukagerete ngucyerko benkongu mono ekiagero otigira abantu bare ne chinguru lakini rende tumiete bunabangi na kiagara na turwanerete
bono niga bande batebere buna ekiama Gia Odm niko kaganirie Oborai buna Simbarati Edwin Sivuna amana bande bali bwato bwege nwo cyase ekiama ekyo bune nchira yamenyo kugendereria kugetingia
bono ngo sabaiga ego chora kuri bachora nga Oburu Odinga be nero entenenera ye patrida Oburu tigatenenere kero to chokora matanga kere komiti yo juikaransa se ko chora enyare ko choro baraya baya buna bono Paul Simbarati ayo patrida anyare ko suguma ekiama Gia Odm kendere ko bane chinguru unagia kabere kurukare ese myaka 20 etire ase papa turaire ekiama kebwataine kire kirase kire county
mwegende kwenda gukora goikabareta na mabona batigarete baikaranse bateme gukwana baigwane ekiama kikimana kogenderera onyemba koigwana kiama kenge kunyara kogenderera goika kebutoke
abakotebanga asibara buni babwata mayana manana sengenche gosira ko mwaka Raila Odinga Bunanda sabate bero ne Ekiama Gia ODM ekeganda go chikoba Ekiama Kongo ni ko bona ta korigereria Oborai yomo ubara nyoro makongo kigima uragara ndere okore mbere buno mugakarira Amolo Odinga arenga okora nguripatira Soko TV kuroga igasubuka takati wa muchibo songa litirana weekly forenge